With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
3 cards are drawn successfully with replacement from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability distribution of the number of spades. Hence, find the mean of the distribution. So, what is the given answer we have to write? So we have to consider as a some event P equal to probability of getting a spade in a draw. That will be the total number of cards will be 52 and the number of a spade is 13, that is 1 by 4, and we have to find Q. 1 minus P. We know the value of P, that is 1 by 4. Take LCM. That is 3 by 4. Similarly, when X denote a success of a getting a spade in a throw, then X follows binomial distribution with parameter n, that is 3, and P equal to 1 by 4. And what is the formula of binomial distribution? That will be X equal to R, that is NCR P to the power R Q to the power n minus R. Now put the values in the following formula. That will be n equal to 3, CR equal to, we don't know the value of R, so as it is P to the power R and Q to the power 3 minus R. We need to more simplify. 3 CR, the value of P will be 1 by 4. The value of R we don't know. Then the value of Q will be 3 by 4. Now put the value. That will be 3 minus R. We need to more simplify. Then 3 CR 4 to the power 3. Then we got 3 CR 3 to the power 3 minus R. Then we got 4 to the power 3, that will be 64, and 3 CR multiplied by 3 to the power 3 minus R will be 27. Take as a common. Then we got 3 CR upon 3 to the power R, where R lies between 0, 1, 2 up to 3. Now the probability distribution of X is given by P of X is equal to R, that is 27 upon 64, 3 CR upon 3 to the power R, where R equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now find the mean. What is the mean? It is noted as E of X, that is NP. We know the value of N, that is 3, and we know the value of P, that will be 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.